Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to create a color palette from your wallpaper. For this simply go to settings, then go to wallpaper and style. Then here you can see the option color palette. Choose a palette based on colors from your wallpaper. Tap on this one. Turn on this option. Okay, these are the color palette. Then you can select the palette. Here I am going to select this one. Tap on apply. Okay, if you go to the quick settings, you can see it is changed here. It will apply to the icons and the menus. Okay, so simply in this way we can create color palette from your wallpaper. Samsung color palette feature automatically matches your phone's theme to your wallpaper. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.